In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Saskatchewan. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Saskatchewan Online Fine Payment website. This is the official portal used to handle fine payments, so make sure you're on the correct government payment page before entering any information. Once the page loads, take a moment to read the Welcome to Online Fine Payments section. This introduction provides important details about the service and helps confirm that you're in the right place. It's always a good idea to slow down here and review the information carefully, especially since paying a ticket online is an official action. After you've finished reading, continue on the page and look for the acknowledgement statement. You'll need to confirm that by completing the payment, you are pleading guilty to the offense associated with the ticket. This is an important part of the process, so make sure you understand what it means before moving forward. Once you're ready, acknowledge that statement and then click the button to pay the fine. This will take you to the search section, where you'll need to locate your ticket in the system. In the search fields, enter your ticket number exactly as it appears on your traffic ticket. Be careful with letters, numbers, and spacing, since even a small typo can prevent the system from finding your record. Next, enter your Saskatchewan driver's license PIC number in the appropriate field. As with the ticket number, it's best to double-check your entry before continuing to avoid delays or errors. After both pieces of information have been entered, click the search button. The system will then look up your ticket details and bring up the matching record. From there, proceed to the summary offense section. This is where you can review the offense information connected to your ticket. Take a moment to make sure everything shown matches your citation before moving on. The next screen is the confirmation step. Here, you'll typically review the details one more time before finalizing anything. This is your chance to verify that you're about to pay the correct fine, so it's worth doing one last careful check. Finally, move to the payment step. This is where you complete the transaction and submit your fine payment online. Follow the payment prompts shown on screen, and once everything is submitted successfully, be sure to keep any confirmation page, receipt, or reference number for your records. That way, you'll have proof of payment if you ever need it later.